G'day guys, Gordon from Blue Tongue Industries, ISSA 2023 at Melbourne Convention Centre. We're going to do a few things different, and we've got a lot on display today to try and capture a large genre or many genres within the cleaning sector. Absolutely outstanding attendance or attendees turnout here at Melbourne in 2023. So we're very excited post-COVID to have a great show here in Melbourne. We're going to do something unusual. We're going to run pressure cleaning systems today with the Solartech, the C1000, and we've got that set up to give people an understanding of cleaning 200 to 250 panels per hour and give people an interpretation and a feel of that. The Solartech in Australia is going great guns, and you'll be able to come down and see that today. A huge range of products from Bar, and if you've seen their catalogue, I think it's nearly hit 1,400 pages. How can we fit everything in one space? So we've got some of the best sellers, little portables, reduction gearbox, direct drive, some of the units that go out into schools, facility management and bits and pieces like that. Soft wash, roof treatment, pest control. There's a big array of soft wash skids, parts and accessories, all the chemicals to go with, and we can give advice on that going forward and adding that to your pressure cleaning genre. Ionic, another big name product, and to bring all their products here today is a challenge in itself. So we've got a couple of the best sellers, the Quattro and the Trion. So if you're doing window cleaning, car detailing, fleet washing, check out some of our fleet transport cleaning systems which have taken on storm in some of the states here in Australia, and we're changing the way fleet management and external fleet cleaning is being done. Kennedy Hygiene, one of the biggest manufacturers and producers in Europe, have given us the new range of recycled dispensers, and you can see that in the black. And Kennedy Hygiene, a magnificent company in Uckfield in London, showcasing the new Vulcan from Blue Tongue Industries. We're going to move a gutter vacuum system which can be on wheels or skid mounted. A project that will evolve over 3 or 4 rotations with larger capture drums, electric hose reels alike. So look out for more on the Vulcan. You can see this as a skid mounted gutter vacuum system on our website at bluetongueindustries.com.au. Mormon, we've dressed up our key individual here. So if you needed to be kitted out in the latest gear, window cleaning traditional, you can check out mormon.com.au, or you can also see it at bluetongueindustries.com.au. The Skyvac range is also huge. We have the new Nitro, state of the art, one of the largest portable powerful vacuum cleaners produced today. And if you're cleaning gutters, it's an absolute must to have that grunt to be able to make life easier. A range of poles, internal high reach dusting, telescopic poles, gutter vacuum poles, all alike. So all at ISSA 2023 in Melbourne. We hope every attendee today has a great show, and we look forward to catching you on the next video, and hope to see you soon. Cheers guys.